Hi, beautiful people. So let's talk about this hair. Yes, let's talk about this hair. But before we talk about this hair, y'all go ahead and like the video because this hair cute. It's cute. You already see it's cute. So just go ahead and like the video. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't hit the notification bell, hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post a video because you want to see this face. You want to see this face. You want to see this face. No. I'm just playing. You want to see this face? It's cute. You know, I'm just playing. But seriously, hit the notification bell. I'm playing about all the other stuff. But hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime you see I post videos. Also, comment, subscribe, do all the other good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Share the video and all the other good stuff. So, now let's get back to the video. Let me come close so you guys can see the hair. I'm going to show you guys the hair up close and personal. I think this hair is so pretty, okay? It pretty. Ouch, I just pulled my hair. It's pretty, okay? It's a lot of hair. I know it's a lot of hair. These twists are called Nubian twist wave hair. This is what the packaging looks like. Yeah, synthetic hair. I got it. This is the color number 2, and it was, as you can see, $8.99 per pack. You probably can't see, but it's $8.99 per pack. I used 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs in my head. And yeah, it was $8.99 a pack. Don't need to use 4 packs if you don't want your hair to be this Diana Ross thick, okay? Because it's Diana Ross thickness going on over here. So if you don't want fullness and thickness and body and volume, if you're not about the voluminous life, then don't use 4 packs. You can use 2 packs and you can use big, thick parts, okay? And honestly, going in, I thought I was doing big parts. I always like, oh, I'm gonna do big parts, and then I can't. It's just like, my body's like, my hands are like, no, you're not doing that. You're not doing that, okay? You're gonna do these medium parts. You're gonna do these medium parts, and you're gonna like it. And you're gonna look like Diana Ross when you're done, okay? So that's what happened with me. I really thought I was doing big parts and I wasn't, so anyway, I still love it. I think it came out really cute even with the thickness. I actually like the thickness. I like voluminous hair. If you know anything about me, big hair all day. I like it. I love it. So, look like the Shanae, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Don't you know no good? I don't know why I'm singing that because that's Jerome, but that look like Shanae here. And so when I did this hairstyle previously, I did bomb twists, and I'm gonna link that video down below. I carded somewhere in this video so you can go and look at that video about my bomb twist. It was shorter. It's probably like this length, and I used the bomb twist hair that I ordered online. So this time around, I went to the beauty supply store and I picked up some hair. I was searching because I was trying to decide between doing small braids, small box braids, or small twists. I didn't really know because you guys know I just did a video probably about 2 weeks ago where I was rocking some chunky or jumbo braids in my head. When I wore them for 2 weeks and they were really cute or whatever, but the problem with chunky braids with me is 1, they don't last as long. 2, I mean, when I took them out, they still look good, but I took them out because with chunky braids, no matter what, I don't really braid tight, but to me, no matter what with chunky braids, they end up putting more tension on my scalp. And so I was feeling like they were a little bit uncomfortable, especially when I slept because the knot and the chunky braid was like really like bothering me when I tried to sleep. So I was like, I don't really want to feel any kind of discomfort. I don't like when my hair makes me uncomfortable. I'm not about that life. So I took them out. I was like, I can't deal with them no more. I want to go smaller, and I want to go smaller because number 1, smaller is more comfortable for me to wear, and smaller will be a little bit more long term for me because I want to wear this for a longer period of time, maybe about 2 months at the minimum. So I really do want to wear this for a longer amount of time. So I went smaller, and then I asked my sisters, should I do twist or braids? And they said twist. So I went on a hunt for some twist hair, and I found that hair. So I want to compare the 2 types of hair. I have the bomb twist hair, and I have the Nubian twist wave hair. So the reason why I know the difference is because of how they feel. This is the this is the bomb twist hair, and this is the Nubian twist wave hair. And I can honestly say that the bomb twist hair feels a little bit softer, a little bit more human-like. This one feels a little bit harder, a little bit more plasticky. Not significantly different, but it does feel different. This one is way softer to the touch, and this one is a little bit more, not way softer, because I just said it ain't that bad. This one is softer to the touch, and this one is not as soft. It's a little bit more harder, a little more plasticky, you know what I'm saying? This hair is a little bit more fuzzy. The bomb twist hair on this side is a little bit more fuzzy, and the Nubian twist wave is not as fuzzy, okay? And they both bounce and stretch and all that good stuff, and pretty much they're the same though. In all other aspects, they're the same. I really don't see them being that different. The color, this is in the color number 2. I use the color number 1B, number 1, and number 2. They're all mixed in my head. Why did I do that? One, because they only had number 1B. They only had one pack of number 1B left, and I usually would use only 1B. Then they had number 2 and number 1, and I just didn't want it to look too dark. So I put number 2 and number 1 in my head. So I just mixed them all up, and that's what colors I have in my head. I used one strand of hair for each twist. So what I did was I would take the one strand, and I show you in the video too, but I'm pulling it out. I would take the one strand and stretch it, stretch it until it kind of like fuzzed out, and then I would take it and then separate it into 2 pieces. And when you separate it, the bottom sometimes when it gets stuck, you gotta kind of like pull it off. And then I would take the hair, you know, take the 2 pieces. You have 2 pieces. And then to make it long, I just will overlap it like this. And then it's gonna stretch out long. If you wanted it to be short, you would just take, I would just take one piece and put it in like that if you wanted it to be short. But if you wanted it to be long, that's when you overlap the 2 pieces like this. But for short, I would do like this. Honestly, shorter, you would use less hair because you would just use this as 1 and 1. So that's just what I did to twist the hair into my head. How long did it take? It took, I don't know, because like I said, like most people say, I didn't really sit down and do it all together because I didn't have to. So I would guesstimate it took around about 7 hours to do, which I don't think it's bad. You get your hair done, it's not gonna be quick, especially if you got this many twists on your head. But I really did enjoy doing my hair. I was not feeling like, oh, I'm over it, I'm tired. It wasn't hard to do. It wasn't hard or extreme to do. I really like it, and I really like the thickness and fullness and body of it. It really is pretty. So I really am glad that I ended up doing medium parts in my head because they came out pretty darn cute, like pretty darn cute. I really love the hair, and I really love the lightweightness of it all. So is the hair heavy? Absolutely not. The hair is not heavy, like, at all. Braiding hair can kind of get heavy sometimes, but when I do braiding hair, I usually don't do enough for it to be heavy. But this hair is way lighter than braiding hair. It's really lightweight. I really don't feel any kind of tension using this hair. It's really lightweight. How is it gonna, I don't know how it's gonna do when I wet it, because I am gonna eventually wet it to wash it and stuff. So we'll see how it does when I wet it, because I do want to keep it in for 2 months plus. And contrary to popular opinions, I do think that you can keep protective styles long term. As long as you're taking care of your hair and your scalp underneath, or your scalp mainly, you can't really take care of your hair. Your scalp underneath, I think you can keep protective styles for 3 months. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Don't argue with me in the comment section. Keep it to yourself, because I don't care. You can keep braids in your hair for 3 months. You can. And I will be taking care of my scalp underneath, and hopefully I will keep these for 3 months, okay? Because I don't want to have to do my hair. Like, I really don't. But these are so lovely. I really love the twist. I really love the way they came out. And I think they look really uniform, and I just love them. Don't you love them? I love them. So I'm going to definitely do some styles with these because they are lightweight. So I should be able to do some styles with them. The only thing that's going to hinder me is the fluffiness of it all. What I'm going to do with the fluff, okay? So I'm going to try to do some hairstyles with them. They're extremely long because of how I folded the hair. They're really long. So let me stand up, or not stand up. Let me, like, sit up so you can see the length. And don't mind that I'm thicker than a snicker. Okay, okay. Just get over it. So this is, look at my belly. Look like a whole pregnancy. I'm not pregnant. This is the length of it in the front. This is the length of it from the side. the hair is pretty darn long, and I really was going for that. I wanted it to be really long, and I really like this hair, girl. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. So yeah, I just wanted to come in and chat it up and show you guys this hair, talk to you guys about this hair, let you guys know all the details of this hair, because I know I'm gonna get questions, because I'm definitely gonna get questions about this hair. I'm 100% sure. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, like the video, comment, ask your questions, leave them down below, let me know what you got, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Otherwise, I'm gonna go, girl, and I'm gonna go start playing with this hair. I really am gonna go start playing with this hair because I can't wait to get my hands in it. So all right, stay beautiful, stay positive, stay blessed, and stay colorful. Peace.